Ella the elephant woke up with a big yawn and a smile on her face. She had a feeling that it was going to be a special day. She walked to the pond and took a long drink of water, feeling refreshed. Ella was excited to see what adventures awaited her today. As she strolled through the tall grass, she came across a group of her friends. "Good morning, everyone," she said, waving her long trunk. The animals all greeted her warmly, and they decided to go on a picnic together. Ella couldn't wait to spend the day with her friends. They walked for a long time, chatting and laughing. Ella felt grateful for her wonderful friends and the beautiful day. When they reached the picnic spot, they found a big, colorful picnic blanket spread out on the ground. They sat down and began to eat delicious fruits and vegetables. After lunch, they played games and told stories. Ella loved listening to her friends' adventures. As the sun began to set, they all sat quietly, watching the sky change colors. Ella felt happy and content. The day had been perfect, and Ella knew that she would remember it for the rest of her life. She closed her eyes and drifted off to sleep, dreaming of more adventures with her friends. Ella woke up the next morning with a smile on her face. She knew that every day was a special day when she was surrounded by her dear friends.